Damn, look at all that garlic. It's one of my favorite veggies to grow. I don't water or weed them. The success rate is really high, and it's one of those vegetables where homegrown's not even in the same league as store-bought. First thing with garlic is that you plant it in the fall and harvest the following summer. In my climate, that works out to planting it around October and harvesting in July. My garden's not huge, so I plant them densely, about every 6 to 8 inches. First, with a narrow trowel, dig a hole a few inches deep, and then put the clove inside. Make sure you plant it the right way. That's the bottom, that's the top. If you don't, they'll still grow, but they'll end up looking like this. No one wants to look like this. What is this thing? It's fine, but yeah. So cover them with soil, pat them down, and water them in. This is basically all the work involved until you harvest. Next time you'll see them is in spring when they start to pop out of the ground. They're gonna keep growing until eventually these long tubes will grow out and start to loop, and these are called garlic scapes. So this step's completely optional, but when your scapes make their first loop or bend, now's the time to pull them. The idea is that the plant will focus its energy to grow the bulb instead of making seeds. If you want to eat them, the best part is in the plant, so try pulling them like a worm instead of cutting them. If you're lucky, they'll just slide right out. This is truly a garlic treat. It's mild enough to eat, raw and fresh, it's indescribable, or I just suck at describing things. Here's another pro tip. If you leave or forget some scapes, let them go to seed. You'll get mini garlic. They're mild up front with a spicy finish. This is bonus garlic. If bonus mini garlic doesn't earn me a subscription, I don't know what will. Any ideas? Please, I'm desperate. Once the leaves start to die off, you can harvest. My climate, zone 7, that's mid to late July. Don't underestimate the harvest. It's the majority of the work when growing garlic, so spread it out over a couple days if you have to. You'll need a shovel, and what I like to do is dig right beside the garlic, grab it by the top and pull it out. Make sure you dig straight down. If you don't, you're gonna slice through your garlic. Like this one, it's fine to use, just make sure that you use it first. When you get them out, you'll notice that they hold a ton of dirt. I use my hands to break it off. It's tempting to use a shovel, but like my ego, they bruise easily. My psychiatrist says they're just sensitive. Now, I like to clean them right away with water. Cut the tops, then put them in a cardboard box flat to dry out. Put them in a cold room, fridge, garage, counter, wherever, and start using them. With this method, I'm done my entire harvest in a day or two, instead of storing and moving dirty garlic around for weeks. So you go from that massive pile to this dense, nice harvest of garlic in one day. Look at this, cutting into a big clove. It's just juice, just garlic juice. You ever heard of garlic juice? This is what you need in your life.